What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Motor Nubs YouTube channel, and we are back with another V6 Mustang video. So we just went and picked it up from the upholstery guy. That is a whole nother topic, but anyway, he didn't end up finishing the upholstery on the car. So he did the back seats, not the front seats. We're not talking about that right now. Anyway, we got the car in here and we're gonna put it up on the lift and we're gonna do the suspension on it. So let me flip it around. Here she is right now. I do have the hood popped because while it's on the lift, we're also gonna change the oil. It's super dirty. It's been sitting outside. It sat outside at the upholstery guy's place for almost a month now. So all that awesome paint correction work that my cousin did, I mean, it's still there, but yeah, it's just a shame because we literally paint corrected it and sealed it, waxed it, all that stuff, just for it to sit under some trees. But these wheels will be coming off. The back tires were in pretty dry rotted shape. We are going to be putting on some SR Performance 1.5 inch drop lowering springs, and we're putting on a set of SVE Series 3 wheels. So let me show you those. There they are. So we're doing 10 wides in the back with 275. Where are they at? The size 275 35 20s, and then 8.5s in the front with 255 35 20s. So should end up looking a lot more aggressive and more stance compared to what it is now. All right, so I went ahead and popped out the front strut. I don't have a spring compressor, so I'm not gonna be able to take that off, but it's ready for me tomorrow. All the parts stores are already closed, but once I put the spring compressor on, take that top hat off, then I can slide that spring off, slide the new one on, compress it, and put the top hat back on. So for tonight, I also wanted to cut the wart off. The wart is little Ford Mustang gas cap on the back. So we're taking that off, and then it leaves like a bump right here. So we're gonna take that bump off, or the wart as people call it, and we're putting on this cover right here. It's a new deck lid. So that is gonna go right there. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Do you like it? Yeah. So go ahead and pop that back in there. And I'm gonna get to cutting on this. I always feel weird about cutting body panels. All right, so I got it cut out as gracefully as I could. Probably not. But anyway, it's all gonna be covered up, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna wipe this thing down and clean it down, clean it real good before we stick anything on there. But yeah, there she goes. Step one, done. All right, so that way water doesn't get inside your trunk. And I guess on GT models, those little pieces are for all the clips, because the GT models already have like a stock deck lid.
Can I go?
Yeah. You gonna do one corner and then the other.
So that corner's in, right?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Good.
I think so, yeah. I think that's it.
I'm pushing.
Yeah, push it. I think that's it.
Did I screw this one side up? No, it's just like that on this side too.
Yeah. Is it not touching?
That top piece isn't catching.
Lift it up a little bit.
too low. Fuck.
Pull it all off. Might have to get more 3M. All right, take two. All right, so there it went on, and the first time when we put it on, it just didn't quite line up like perfectly. Had it off kilter a little bit, but pulled it back off, and I had like a big old roll of double-sided like sticky tape. So we put it back on, put some more sticky tape on it, and there she is in all her glory. Now it just needs some LED tail lights, some blacked out the Raxums, and I think this thing would be looking fresh. But it already looks like 10 times better getting that wart off there. So I think I'm gonna end up calling it for tonight. Being that I don't have the spring compressor, I'm not gonna be able to get the wheels on because I can't get the lowering springs on. I'm not about to put the new wheels on with the old stock springs. So I wish y'all a happy night, and I bid you adieu, and I will see you on the next one. It's like a glare on the camera screen here. Try to get a good angle on her. Yeah. All right, later guys.